Mr. Choi is willing to spend 50 million New Zealand dollars to help people, because giving money directly to people will not play any role in changing the results. It will even lead to bad results. Therefore, he wants to find a suitable field to invest and bring long-term beneficial and positive effects to the disadvantaged group in New Zealand. He wants to do something meaningful to help people in need. After my research and investigation, it is more reasonable for Mr. Choi to invest in telemedicine and digital telemedicine. I began to analyze the overall economic situation from macro situation to specific industry. Explain step by step why telemedicine and digital medicine in medical industry have been chosen for investment. From the perspective of the development prospect of telemedicine and digital medicine, one of the most dynamic and rapidly developing economic sectors today in medical technology. Healthcare organizations are using cutting-edge technologies such as virtual, constructional, and remote monitoring to improve the treatment effect of patients, reduce cost, and expand access to care. Therefore, there has been a burst of excitement among investors seeking to invest in healthcare technology that may subvert the current healthcare system. In addition, compared with other fields in the medical industry, telemedicine and digital medicine can get long-term returns and help the whole medical industry in the future. Investing in telemedicine and digital medicine has many benefits. Telemedicine and digital medicine technology enable patients to obtain medical service without geographical restrictions through technologies such as remote monitoring and remote surgery. Doctors can provide remote guidance and support, reduce the hospitalization time and rehabilitation time of patients, and improve the medical effect. Telemedical can improve the utilization rate of medical institutions and reduce the waste of equipment and human resources, thus reducing the overall medical cost. In a word, investing in telemedicine and digital medicine can bring a long-term impact on the development of medical care. Investing in telemedicine and digital medicine also needs to pay attention to the following aspects. On the one hand, it is the regulations and the supervisions. The development of telemedicine and digital medicine is restricted and guided by laws and regulations. On the one hand, it is technical feasibility and safety. Ensure that the investor technical solution can meet the requirements of the medical industry. Protects the safety and privacy of patient data and provides stable and reliable service. Therefore, according to the scholar of the target market, the growth trend and the demand of Mr. Choi, it is finally determined that investing in telemedicine and digital medicine will bring long-term benefits. Here are some suggestions for new students. First and foremost is to strengthen communication with team members. Coordination and cooperation. Group work usually requires the cooperation and multiple members to complete the task. By communicating with the team members, you can ensure that each member is clear about your role and task, and can coordinate and cooperate the pursue common goals. Sharing information and resources. By communicating with team members, important information and resources can be shared in time. This includes discussing mission requirements, exchanging research results, and sharing documents and materials. Effective information sharing can improve the overall technology level of team members and promote innovation and problem solving. Good communication can build team spirit and mutual trust. By communicating and listening to each other, team members can better understand each other's views, skills, and contributions. This helps to establish a positive working atmosphere and good interpersonal relations, and promotes teamwork and coordination. The second is to communicate with the teacher in time if you have any questions. On the one hand, through communication with teachers, you can understand the task requirements of good group work more clearly. Teachers can provide necessary guidance and explanations to ensure that each team member has a current understanding of the requirements and the explanation of the task. On the other hand, communicating with teachers can get feedback and evaluation of group work. Teachers can evaluate the work of the group and provide suggestions for improvement and further development. This helps the group to identify their own strengths and room for improvement and make corresponding adjustments according to the teacher's feedback to improve the quality and performance of homework. Finally, you need to make your own time schedule. Time schedule helps students to ensure the realization of learning goals. By clearly arranging learning tasks and activities on the timetable, students can study in a planned way to avoid cramming and task accumulation. The time schedule can help students to arrange the steps and the growth and the progress of learning reasonably. Ensure that the tasks are completed on time and achieve the learning goals. Time schedule can reduce stress in the learning process. By arranging learning tasks and activities in a planned way, students can better control their learning progress and reduce the pressure on time. In addition, the schedule can also reserve time for leisure and entertainment to help students balance their study and life and reduce the burden of stress